Hello, so this video is about replacing a cabin air filter for a BMW 1 and or 3 series produced from 2004 to 2013. This is for an E82, E88, E90, E91, 92, and so on. So, the cabin air for how much did it cost? I purchased the air cabin filter. It's a MON air cabin filter from FCP Euro in 2006 and 2016 for about 21 some odd dollars.
So in order to replace the air cabin filter, it is actually housed here in this plastic compartment. And I've already done it, but you basically remove about six or so, or actually about 6 8mm bolts. One is here, 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 there's one over there, and the one here. And once it's removed, it's actually it's very simple. It just comes right off. So, comes right off like that. See, it's in my hands. And there's my dirty cabin air filter right there. And I'm going to replace it now with a new one. So I'm going to now replace the old cabin air filter with the brand new one that came out of the box. You see, it's all nice and white. And it's not that difficult to replace. Let's see. One clip comes off here. There. There. There we go. And it pops off. Alright. Now we make sure that's the same alignment. So these tabs here. And let's see. There's these little, watch out for these little things here that have to go inside, it looks like. Okay, there we go. That is right. There we go. There's that. Come on. It's fiddly. There we go. And dump that there. So we have a brand new air filter installed, and then all it requires is you take this, plop it back on here, and then just tighten the 6 bolts here, here, there, there, and that's it. All done. That's it.